What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? I'm trying to shelter myself all the way in South Carolina right about now and just got me a fresh haircut. Anyway, I'm finna put this cargo carrier, got it from Walmart for like 90 bucks. Put it on here. That's gonna be the first thing I do. And also I'm gonna get me like a cargo box. I'm trying to look for a slick one. And also I need to figure out my wheel situation. It had blown out and it was a brand new stinking tire, so I need to see if I can get a new one. As you can see, the car is looking so gorgeous and sexy right about now. But anyway, I'm following these instructions. So this go from like a 1/2 inch to a 2 inch, so I'm not going to be using this. I'm going to be following the manual for this. This shouldn't be hard at all. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put this thing together and go from here. So we got the foundation. We just gotta get all these other pieces together. I was gonna get one from Harbor Freight, but they didn't have they just had 2 inch, and my hitch thingamajig is pretty small. So I want to take this car up to the mountains or somewhere, just chill out, have, you know, like a nice Yeti cooler in the back or some good cooler on the back side, and go from there. Probably gonna do some extra maintenance on the car, change some gaskets for the oil. I think I have a small oil leak, so I need to get that situated on this car. Get some new caps for my side skirts right here. What else? Get some brighter white lights up front. I usually like the yellow fog lights, but I think I'm gonna go white. Get some bright ass lights. I'm gonna change these tail lights on the back, get some new ones. Might try to go chrome with it. I'm gonna try to go chrome all around on the lights. So you see I got chrome lights there, so I'm gonna go chrome, and then like I said, get a slick top. All right, anyway guys, so I got it laid out right now. I am adding the plate, 8 bolts in a nut on the other side. I got that side tightened. Now I'm finna tighten this side. Then I'm finna add this reinforcement plate, put it like towards the middle. Put it towards the middle. It might have to be like this. Put it towards the middle. And then the bar I'm gonna use is this size right here. And then I'm gonna put her on. All right guys, so got the bottom side on, got the main structure, the piece that I need. I'm not using the 1/2. I mean the 2 inch, using the 1/2. The 2 inch can fold, but a 1/2 you can't. I don't think, nah. So I'm putting my support on, and then I'm gonna put that metal piece on because it's kind of hard to do it. So yeah. Well guys, that's going to be it. Anyway, I see y'all. Car's looking really good. Probably gonna redo my wheels. I like how that is. I'm gonna get like a cooler in the back. I always wanted it, something like this before, and then I need to get me like a slick rack. But it look pretty good. Don't look too bad from the back. So I need to get some new tail lights. One of them lights had goddamn went out because the damn bulb got corrosion in it. For some reason, water had got inside, so I gotta get that straightened out. But man, she is looking good. Then I need to get my tire. Can you see if I can get a new tire? Like I said, I just recently got this tire and it already got effed up. Oh man, she look good. I love this Mercedes. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I enjoy it so much.